Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about PHP installation. So let's see how can we do that. What do I need for PHP installation? To start using PHP, you can find a web with a PHP and MySQL support. Or we can install a web server on our own PC and then install PHP and MySQL. So here on screen now you can see that we can find one method. How can we do that? So for that first we have to download XAMPP download. Okay. So in that case we have to download the XAMPP. In that case we will be able to run our PHP and Visual Studio together. 64-bit I am going to download in this, and once you can see right now that my 64-bit XAMPP is getting downloaded over there. So once you will download this, you will be able to understand how can we run. In that case, it is very easy to create this. So once you download the XAMPP, all you need to do, you just install it in your browser. Once this method is completed, then it will be able to understand how can you run the PHP in your phone. So it is getting installed in your system. Once it will get installed, it will be able to run in our Visual Studio. So here on screen, I am trying to check these are the formats how can I download. So here you can see one warning is there. All you need to do is just to OK this particular warning. Now you have to set up the XAMPP. So here on screen, what you need to do, you need to next this particular setup so that you will be able to run this XAMPP. Setup is now ready. Welcome to XAMPP. Now you can easily do MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So right now we are trying to do PHP, so it will help you how to create the PHP. Once you're done, we will start how to do the PHP installation in. So finally, the XAMPP is now downloaded. What I need to do is now we will start how to do the PHP installation in. It's a very easy to do. It's not so hard. So online PHP compiler, you can edit the PHP code and view the result in it. So here I am going to create one. Now you can see that these are the things we need to do. So all you need to do, you just need to select what all the things you will allow the access. So here I am going to allow the access for all these. So it will help me to run this particular program. So I have run the module, the Apache, and then other modules are already available. So you can create that. That's how you can download the XAMPP in your particular program. So it will help you to run the PHP code in your Visual Studio, and it will help you to run that particular thing. So local host is a thing that you can run your particular code in that. So if you're going to run anything in your Visual Studio, once you're trying to run that particular code, it will help you to run. The installation is done here and all the things are available in the PHP. The new folder I have created, in that I have mentioned the PHP code. So it will help me to add all the courses that are available for the PHP. So now if I want to create it, what I will do, I will create the text document. With that, I will save it with the another name, what all the name I want. So once that is completed, what you will do, you can also try all this thing. So PHP, there is so many ways how can you create that. I want to select some subfolder so that I can save this index file. So here I have created one. Let me search that particular, that is PHP. Now I have to save this. So I will save this particular file. Let me check where is it is saved. Now on screen you can see that the index.php is saved because it was PHP file. Now what I need to do, first I have to mention the local host, then I have to mention the slash sign over that, then I have to mention the path of that particular index.php. So I can directly write the PHP. No, I have to mention what kind of files are available. First, it is in PHP course. Then I have to mention the index.php. So once you will run this particular form, you will be able to get what all the forms you have mentioned. That's how you can create the index.php file. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.